Ferrari's latest and greatest front-engine Grand Tour has arrived, aptly named after its heart. The naturally aspirated V12 engine. Dubbed the 12Cilindri, Italian for 12 cylinders, it replaces the 812 Superfast in the brand's lineup. Both coupe and Spider versions have been unveiled at an exclusive event held in Miami Beach. As you could have probably guessed from its name, the 12Cilindri is powered by the Italian marque's flagship 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12. The capacity of this engine hasn't been increased for the new model, but modifications have been made to it, allowing it to rev to 9,500 revolutions per minute and churn out 819 horsepower and 500 pound-foot, 678 Newton-meters of torque. A key upgrade made to the V12 is the adoption of titanium con rods that reduce rotating mass by 40% compared to steel con rods. Ferrari is also using a new aluminum alloy for the pistons and has installed a rebalanced and lightweight crankshaft. Formula One-derived steel Valvetrain sliding finger followers have also been fitted with a diamond-like carbon coating, reducing the coefficient of friction and improving the engine's mechanical efficiency. The changes don't stop there. The manifold and plenum are more compact, the torque curve has been optimized at all engine speeds, and new software has been installed to adjust the maximum torque available depending on the gear selected. Coupled to the 6.5-liter unit is an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission. Ferrari says the 12-Cilindri coupe can hit 100 km per hour, 62 miles per hour, in 2.9 seconds, 200 km per hour, 124 miles per hour, in 7.9 seconds, and top out at 340 km per hour, 211 miles per hour. The Spider is slightly slower, requiring 2.95 seconds to hit 100 km per hour and 8.2 seconds to reach 200 km per hour. The coupe weighs 1,560 kilograms dry, while the Spider is 1,620 kilograms dry. The 12-Cilindri looks quite different from other current Ferrari models. From the front, it reminds us of the iconic 365 GTB/4 Daytona, with sharp headlights, DRLs, and a gloss black element between the lights. Ferrari says the new car has a more sophisticated design language than the 812 Superfast, with a focus on clean lines and muscular proportions. There's plenty of aero trickery going on, too. For example, there's active aero elements at the rear that operate between 60 km per hour, 37 miles per hour, and 300 km per hour, 186 miles per hour, to increase downforce. Ferrari has also designed the underbody to maximize efficient vertical load generation and installed louvers behind the front wheels to reduce overpressure inside the engine bay. 3 pairs of vortex generators are also found beneath the front end, just like in the 812 competition. Like other Ferrari models, the 12-Cilindri's interior is dominated by large screens. Found in the center of the dashboard is a 10.25-inch infotainment display, while behind the steering wheel is a massive 15.6-inch driver display. An 8.8-inch display has also been installed for the passenger to enjoy. Ferrari has also retained the same controversial capacitive steering wheel buttons as the 296, but these buttons now feature indentations. Buyers who'd rather listen to music than enjoy the V12 Symphony can option their car with a 15-speaker Burmester audio system. Brake-by-wire is fitted as standard to the 12-Cilindri. Ferrari has used a similar system on the SF90 Strato and 296. Slide Slip Control 8.0 is also featured, the latest iteration of the complex software stack that allows the driver to tweak how much slip angle they would like through a corner. Ferrari says this system has been optimized and can now estimate tire road grip when steering, allowing it to quickly learn real-time grip levels. A 4-wheel independent steering system has also been installed, like that of the 812 competition. Ferrari will sell the new car with Michelin Pilot Sport S5 or Goodyear Eagle F1 Super Sport tires, both of which have been developed specifically for it and measure 275 35ths ZR21 front and 315 35ths ZR21 at the rear. The 12-Cilindri's wheelbase is also 20 mm shorter than the 812's, and the car has a 48.4% front and 51.6% weight distribution. While prices haven't been announced for the US, we know the 12-Cilindri coupe will start at €395,000, till $424,000, in Italy, while the Spider has been priced from €435,000 till $467,000. If you enjoyed learning about the Ferrari 12-Cilindri and want to see more exciting videos about cars, make sure to subscribe to our channel. We got a lot of great content coming your way, including in-depth reviews, first looks, and test drives of the latest and greatest vehicles on the market. Don't miss out on the opportunity to stay up to date with the latest automotive news and trends, so hit that subscribe button and be sure to check out our other videos.